Hello everyone. Okay, welcome to the last part of reasoning. Okay, that which we will be taking today, right? The last part of reasoning, Vizag Steel MT. Okay, so today will be the last class on reasoning, reasoning part 4. So today I'll be taking some data interpretation questions and different type of spatial orientation questions, right? So today I will be taking, okay, one is our data interpretation questions, right, and different types of visual memory questions. Okay, different type of visual memory questions which we did not do yesterday, right, which we did not do yesterday. Okay, good morning SK, right? So there are already people present in the live class, so I won't waste much of the time. So I will be beginning with the reasoning part 4. Okay, so it's my sincere request to all of you. Okay, the reasoning part 4, this will be the last part on YouTube, right? This is the last part on YouTube. Tomorrow in the Unacademy platform, right, you guys will be having a special class from 10 to 11 p.m. on reasoning, right? Please do attend it. Okay, please do attend it. This is tomorrow 10 to 11 p.m. Please don't forget to attend this class, because in this class also I'll be bringing various other questions, and then there will be the 4 classes on general English, right? 4 classes on general English. On Wednesday you will be having on YouTube. Okay, Thursday on Unacademy, Friday on YouTube, right, and Saturday on Unacademy, right? So please do attend all these sessions. On YouTube it is from 10 a.m. and on Unacademy it's from 10 p.m. So these sessions will be in general English, okay, on practice questions on general English. So please do attend all these sessions. It's a sincere request from my side. Okay, please do attend it, because I'll be doing different questions in all these sessions, right? So let us go on to the class. Okay, let us start with the class, right? So this is the question number 1. Okay, here there are 2 pie charts given. Okay, a survey is being conducted on 5,800 villagers, okay, which are staying in various villages and are having various favorite fruits. Okay, they are having various favorite fruits. Okay, so favorite fruits are here, people staying in various villages are here. Okay, so what is the total number of people having their favorite fruits as apples and grapes together? You guys have to find out. Okay, one of the options is the right options, so they have given the percentages. So you have to tell the total number of people who are having their favorite fruit as apples plus grapes. Okay, apples और grapes को दोनों को मिलाकर. Okay, apples plus grapes. Good morning SK. Good morning Nitesh. Okay, I will teach it on the digital board, right? Good morning Subhajit. Right, so SK is already ready with the answer. He's telling it is C, right? Anyone else with the answer? 1C. Right, what they have asked in the question. Okay, number apples and grapes together, right? What is the percentage of apples? Percentage of apples is 12%, right? What is the percentage of grapes? It is 11%. 11% of apples and grapes दोनों को मिलाकर बताना है, right? So which is the right answer? It is option C, right? Total number of people having their favorite fruit as apple and grapes together. So what is the percentages we have? We have 12 plus 11 percentage, right? 12 percentage or 11 percentage. How is percentage written, right? If 12%, how is it written in fractions? It is written as 12 by 100, right? So 12 plus 11 by 100, right? 12 plus 11 by 100 into 5,800, right? So how many villagers are there, right? How many people are there, right? This is the n, the number of people. 5,800 people are there. Okay, in that 12% are eating apples, 11% are eating grapes, right? 12% are eating apples, 11% are eating grapes. So it is as simple as that. 12 plus 11 divided by 100 into 5,800, right? So which is 23 into 58, 1,334. Option C, right? As simple as that. दोनों का percentage ले लो और into the number of people कर दो, right? As simple as that. Shall I move on to the next question? Right? Yes. There is a family of 6 members, A, B, C, D, E, and F. They are lawyer, doctor, teacher, salesman, engineer, and accountant, and not necessarily in this order. Okay. So one of them is a lawyer, one of them is a doctor, teacher, salesman, engineer, and accountant. They do not follow this order that they have already mentioned. They are not necessarily in this order. There are 2 married couples in the family. D, the salesman, is married to the lady teacher. The doctor is married to the lawyer. F, the accountant, is the son of B and brother of E. C, the lawyer, is the daughter-in-law of A. E is an unmarried engineer. A is the grandmother of F. How is E related to F? Okay, you guys have to tell the blood relation between E and F, right? So just go on all these things, right? I will also solve with you guys. Okay, I will also solve with you. There are 2 married couples in the family. Okay, what they have told: D is a salesman, right? He is married to the teacher, right? He is married. He is married to the teacher. मतलब D हो गया male and teacher is a female, right? Teacher is a female. Coming, the doctor is married to the lawyer. Doctor is married, right, to the lawyer. So what is doctor? Doctor is male, right? Lawyer is female. So this satisfies our first one, right? There are 2 married couples. तो 2 married couples मिल गए हमें. एक salesman और teacher है और दूसरा doctor और lawyer है, right? F is an accountant, right? F is an accountant and he is the son of B, brother of E, right? Son of B, brother of E. Next क्या है? The lawyer is the daughter-in-law of A, right? Lawyer ये जो है, she is the female. She is the daughter-in-law of A, right? A is the grandmother of F. So A is female, right? A is female. She is the grandmother of F. Okay. So now find out, right? What will be the answer, right? Do we know the gender of E, right? Do we know the gender of E? F is the brother of E and F has a grandmother A, right? F is the son. तो F का भी मुझे पता है, F is a male. But I do not know the gender of E. So you guys don't have to go by any of this. It is none of these, right? क्योंकि E का gender मुझे पता नहीं है, right? I know D as male. I know doctor as male. Okay. I know A as female. I know F as male. Lawyer is female. Teacher is female. E is an engineer. Okay. E is an engineer or E ka gender I do not know, right? I do not know, right? So if you don't know the gender, how can you go for finding the blood relation, right? If you don't know the gender, how can you go for finding the blood relation? So it is option D, right? You don't have to worry much about, ठीक है? पूरा एक sheet of paper, right? Just solve it. Just write down the answers. You know that E's gender is not given. All others genders are given, right? So it is none of these. Okay. अगर gender पता नहीं है तो blood relation कैसे find करोगे, right? As it is not clear that E is male or female, so we cannot conclude that E is the brother or sister of F, right? We cannot conclude that E is the brother or sister of F. So if you go by the blood relations also, E or F के बीच में there will be a distance, right? There will be a difference. So go back here, right? Married lawyer, F, A, B and E, right? A to F, F to B, B to E, right? So F is the brother of E. but what is the distance between E and F, right? What is the relation between E and F? That we do not know, क्योंकि E का gender मुझे पता नहीं है. I do not know the gender of E, so it is none of this, right? Here only they are given, no baba. F is the brother of E, so what is E related to F? No gender, इसलिए option D. Clear everyone? Clear with this? Just see the last but one equation, right? Last but one statement. ठीक है, लास्ट बट वन स्टेटमेंट देख लो इधर. ही इज द सन ऑफ बी एंड ब्रदर ऑफ ई. तो एफ इज द ब्रदर ऑफ ई. व्हाट इज ई टू एफ? वी डू नॉट नो. सिस्टर और ब्रदर हमें नहीं पता क्योंकि जेंडर नहीं पता है. सो इट इज ऑप्शन डी. चलो, थैंक यू. राइट, क्वेश्चन 3. राइट, क्वेश्चन 3. सेलेक्ट द डायग्राम which completes the figure. Right, select the diagram which completes the figure. Okay, so this is the figure, right? It is completed by which diagram? A, B, C, D, right? It is completed by which diagram? Tell me in the options, right? The options are jumbled. ठीक है, आराम से आंसर देना. It is not A, B, C, D. I have written as B, C, A, D. So which one of these complete it? Right, see guys, there are two triangles. Okay, one trapezium is there and one four line, right? So one quadrilateral, so that you can tell one quadrilateral, two triangles and one trapezium. So go by the options. Okay, go by the options. Okay, it is option D, right? Option D, the fourth one is the correct one, right? The fourth one is the correct one. So see here, one triangle, this one, it comes here, right? This one, it comes here, right? This one, right? This one, okay, it is here, and this one, right? This is a trapezium. तो देखो ये कैसा है? How is this, right? How is this? See, how is this? See, right? It is like this. So option D. Okay, SK, I will tell you why it is not option C, right? Option C, there are only 3, right? Here there are 4 parts, right? There are 4 parts here, so you have to look for 4 parts. The option D, it has 4 parts. Option C has only 3 parts, right? Option B cannot be true because this is not in the form of an arrow mark, right? Like this. You don't have a parallelogram here, right? Option B is wrong. You don't have a parallelogram, है ना? And option A is also wrong because here this is like this, right? This is a right angle triangle. Option A is a right angle triangle. We do not have a right angle triangle, है ना? Option A, there is a right angle triangle. We do not have it, so it is option D, right? Option C, there are only 3 images, no baba, right? See it, SK, there are only 3 parts, 1 2 3, so option C is wrong. Option D has all the 4 parts, right? Option D has all the 4 parts, so option D is the right answer, right? The fourth one. Clear with this everyone? Shall I move on to the next question? अच्छा, C means A लगा आपको, yeah. So this C, okay, you are telling this C, okay, yeah, sorry, C means A, but here also this is a right angle triangle, right? So this is a right angle triangle. इधर right angle triangle नहीं है, right? We do not have a right angle triangle, है ना? We do not have a right angle triangle, so A is wrong, right? चलो, we'll move on to the next one, right? Imports and exports of spare parts by an automobile company over the given years is given in this pie chart, right? Is given in this data interpretation. So this is called as bar graph, right? This is called as bar graph. Okay. So imports and exports of spare parts. So you can see the white one is import, the shaded one is export. So this is amount and this is in the year. In which of the following pair of years the percentage increase in the export over the previous year is correctly matched, right? So in which of the following pair of year the percentage increase in export over the previous year is correctly matched, right? Is correctly matched, that is both are equal, like that. Okay, both are equal, correctly matched. So solve this. You have to find out everything, but only go with the options. चार options दिया है, right? So C 2002 and 2003, 4 and 5, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and then tell me which one are having the same amount of exports. Right? Okay, 2 and 3, what is exports, right? What is exports? It is 40, right? And 3, it is 45, right? So it is 40 and 45. Okay, 4 and 5, 4 it is 35, right? 5 it is 40, 4 it is 35, 5 it is 40, so it is 35 and 40, right? Amount in crore rupees. Okay, amount in crore rupees. 5 and 6 जाते हैं, 5 में 40 है और 6 में 60 है, right? 40 and 60 it is there, 40 and 60, and 7 and 8. Okay, 7 is 50, 8 is 55, right? 7 is 50, 8 is 55. So this is the amount in crore or rupees. What they have told, this is the amount in crores of rupees, right? These are the amount in crore of rupees in these respective years. They have asked to find out the percentage increase. मतलब एक साल से दूसरा साल कितना increase हुआ, right? एक साल से दूसरा साल कितना increase हुआ, that we have to find out, right? So the correct option is option D, right? Correct option is option D. Total import in 2002 to 2003, right? It is 30 and 35. Okay, so it is total import. Okay, I've made a mistake here. I have to take export here. Okay, export here, I made a mistake. Okay, I made a mistake of taking import. So let us write down the question again. So it is 40 and 45, right? It is 40 and 45. So 40 plus 45, right? 40 plus 45, total export is 95 crores. अरे अच्छा ही लिखा है मैंने, हाँ? Okay, 2004 and 5. Okay, the total export is 75 crores, है ना? So it is 35 and 40, 40 and 45, 40 and 60, 50 and 55. So it is 90 crores. In 5 and 6 it is 90 crores. In 4 and 5 the total export is 75. Total export in 5 and 6 is 100 crores, and in 7 and 8 the total export is 105 crores, right? The 105 crores. So here you see the import is 65, the export is 95. So option A is wrong. The import is 90, the export is 75. Option B is wrong. The import is 90, the export is 100. Option C is wrong. The import is 105, the export is 105. Option D is right, right? So pair of years का मतलब क्या है? Total import is equal to export. Okay, total import is equal to export. Okay, I will explain it again. Okay, Subhajit, don't worry, right? Pair of years, right? Pair of years का मतलब क्या है? Import is equal to export, right? Pair of years का मतलब क्या है? Import is equal to export. So the question here means in which of the following pair of years, that is in which of the years the import is equal to export, right? In which of the years the import is equal to export. So that is the question here. Okay, percentage increase पे जाओगे, right? You guys are true, right? 40 and 45, the percentage increase will be 5% here, right? Here it will be -5, here it will be 20%, and here it will be 5%, right? Right, here it will be 5%. Pair of years का मतलब क्या है? Pair of years का मतलब क्या है? The import is equal to export, right? तो आपको import का भी रेशियो देखना पड़ेगा, the white one. Okay, import का भी रेशियो देखना पड़ेगा. Okay, imports ratio. So that is what I have written here. 35 plus 30 import. In the first one it is 35 and 30, 65 crores. 65 is equal to 95. So wrong. Coming to 4 and 5. Okay. It is 35 plus 40. 75 crores is the export. Import kitna hai? 4 and 5. So it is 35 plus 40 again, right? So this is not equal. Okay. See here, 40 and 50, which is 90 crores. Not equal. Coming to C, 5 and 6. Import is 50, right? Here it is 60. 50 plus 60, 110. And it is 100. Not equal. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. So 7 and 8, 50 plus 55, right? 110. So here it is same. So both are same. 50 plus 55, 105. 60 plus 45. दोनों सही है. So option D, right? Where the import is equal to export. So that is what the question is. Hello Shashank, but question is asked how increase over previous year. Yes, yes, SK, question is asked how increase it's over previous year, but they have mentioned the pair of years here, right? Correctly matched, right? Correctly matched. Okay, दोनों का correct match हुआ है. So we are going by the option D. Or else you guys are right. Okay, so this was a PYQ. Okay, and they had given the answer key as D. Right, they had given the answer key as D. Sometimes they will ask you such questions to trick you, right? So that is the reason I mentioned this question. Pair of years का मतलब है import is equal to export. Okay, so by that it is option D, right? By that it is option D. Percentage increase, Baba, right? Percentage increase, the word pair of years is correctly matched. Okay, so don't get confused with this statement here, over the previous year. ठीक है, ये confuse मत हो जाओ, क्योंकि over the previous year ही दिया है, right? It is given as 2002 to 2003 only, right? Over the previous year. So pair of years is correctly matched. Okay, just take these two sentences, just take these two words into together. Pair of years का मतलब है, right? Pair of years is the total import is equal to total export. Okay, pair of years का मतलब वो है. In normal export ratio or in the production ratio, export is equal to import is called as pair of years. मतलब दोनों में same है, right? Okay, दोनों में same है. So it is option D. Understood, Subhajit? Okay, pair of years correctly matched. इन दोनों words को देखो ध्यान से. Okay, so it is I is equal to E. टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स मतलब न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी. हाँ, न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी का हो गया है, राइट? न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी आई हैव टुक 4 सेशंस एंड 3 सेशंस इन अनअकैडमी, 4 इन यूट्यूब. तो ये चैनल क्या दूसरा वीडियोस देखो. ओके, गो बैक टू द वीडियोस, यू विल फाइंड सम वीडियोस इन न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी, राइट? टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स मतलब वो ही. आई डोंट थिंक इट इज फ्रॉम लाइक टेक्निकल, मतलब आप मैकेनिकल या सिविल पूछ रहे हो. मुझे लग रहा है न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी, क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ पेपर 1 संभालता हूं, है ना? हाँ, ओके, चलो. क्वेश्चन 5. चूज अ फिगर which would mostly resemble the unfolded figure of 3, right? Unfolded form. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, so this is options A, B, C, D. The diagram is visible for everyone, right? The diagram is visible for everyone, right? I hope the diagram is visible for everyone. अगर नहीं दिख रहा है तो बताओ. I will draw it here. Okay, this is visible. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So you guys have to see in these 4 options which one is the unfolded form, right? Which one is the unfolded form of 3? Okay, which one is the unfolded form of 3? चलो बताओ मुझे आंसर. Option A. So option A I will draw here, right? Option A I will draw. Okay, so this is option A. Right, so see here. Okay, this is one part of the folded figure, right? So this is my paper. Okay, पेपर को ऐसे फोल्ड कर रहा हूं मैं, ओके, देन आई एम फोल्डिंग दिस वन, okay, then I am folding this one, so the paper I have folded like this, then I am doing like this, okay, then I am doing like this, तो ऐसा है पेपर मेरा, okay, so just take this as the paper, okay, so I am folding like this, अरे यार ये फोल्ड करने से बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, हाँ, okay, I am folding like this, है ना, I am folding like this, then I fold like this, okay, then I fold like this. So this is what they have shown here, okay, this is what, okay, so one part of the paper is having this, okay, one part of the paper is having this, मतलब सारा part में एक एक triangle रहेगा, right, in all the parts one or the other triangles will be there, okay, so what is the right answer? C, but it is B, right, it is B. So I have jumbled the options here, तो सब लोगों ने C आंसर दे दिया, right, yes, C is true, but according to the options it is option B, right, according to the options it is option B. समझ गए? Subhajit, Devashish, yes, you guys are right, it is C, but in the options it is B, right, options it is B. तो ये ऐसा है, ठीक है, so this is how the paper is, right, the paper is like this, so I'm folding it like this, right, one fold, so I got the second one, right, like this, then I am folding it like this, so this is the third fold, third fold में I have a triangle here, right, I have a triangle here, तो इसका मतलब क्या है, here, here, right, so I will have both the triangles here, both the triangles here, and both the triangles here, so there will be 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, 6 triangles will be there, right, 6 triangles will be there, so yes, option C is right, but in the options it is given as B, right, C option is there in B, yes, you tricked at the last step, है ना, so the diagram C it is given in option B, so option B is right one, ये पूरा ऐसा ही होगा, okay, the next 5 questions are like this only, okay, the options will be jumbled, so see it properly, right, option B is fold 3 times horizontally and 1 time vertically, so 2 cut areas will be in vertical and 3 cut areas horizontal, right. How many triangles are there in the following figure, right, count the number of triangles in the following figure, tell me how many triangles are there in the following figure. I'll count along with you. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right, 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, right, 14 triangles हो गया. Now 1 2 right, 3 4 5 6, right, 14 plus 6, okay, next मैं नहीं बताऊंगा, that you have to do, is it 22 or 24 or 23, you guys have to tell me, right, 20 triangles मैंने दिखा दिया, okay, SK is telling it as 22, Shashank is telling it as 24, okay, Subhajit, Devashish, come with your replies. अच्छा, मैंने 14 और 6 ऐड कर दिया तो आप लोगों को लगा 22 है, राइट, यस 22 है, राइट, इज इट ट्रू, इट इज 24, there are option C, right, 14 plus 6 22, there are 2 big triangles, how can you miss it, right, 2 big triangles are there, okay, adding that it will be 24, okay, 2 big triangles, 26 आ रहा है, 26 नहीं आएगा बाबा, okay, it is 24, so this is right, 14 हो गया, next this one is 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 23 24, okay, got it, 24 आ गया मेरा, 14 triangles, right, 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24, yes, 14 plus 6 plus 2, right? 14 plus 6 plus 2. Okay, there are two triangles, right? 14 single triangles, right? 6 double triangles and 1, okay, 2 4 triangles are there. Okay, 14 single triangles are there, right? 1 2 3 4 14. 6 two triangles are there, 2 triangles, 1 2 1 2 like that. Okay, and 2 4 triangles are there, right? 4 triangles are there in the 2 margin. So there you will get 24, right? Sorry, 2 triangles are there in the 4 margin. Okay, so it is 24. Clear, everyone? Yeah, it will be 22 only, no? 14 plus 6, 20, right? 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. सही बता रहा हूँ ना मैं? Right, I'll show you. Wait a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay? Just a minute. I'll show you. Just a minute. I'll erase it. I know everyone are confused. Just a minute. I'll erase it. Okay? I'll show you how it is made. Okay? I'll show you how it is made. 22 triangles. Everyone understood? No? Okay? SK and Subhajit, I will show you how are the two other triangles I'm getting. Okay? Okay? ध्यान से देखो. Right? 1, right? 1, 2. Got it? 1 and 2. Okay, so 14 single triangles, right? 6 double triangles. Okay, then 2 triangles into 3, 2 triangles into 4. So it is 24. Clear SK now, right? 1 2 है ना, ये हो गया. Next there are 4 triangles. Okay, fourth one like this, 1 2. Okay, 1 and 2. So here also you can see 1, right, and 2. Clear now? Understood how we got it as 24? Right? Clear now? Chalo. Right? There are option C, 24. Subhajit, clear with this? Right? Subhajit, clear ho gaya? 20, right? 14 plus 6, 20. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 24. Right? Chalo. We'll move on to the next question now. Question 7. A piece of circular paper is folded and cut as shown below. How will it appear when opened? Okay, select your response from the answer figures. Okay, so here the piece of circular paper is folded and is cut like this. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So tell me which is the right option, right? Tell me which is the right option. Just see the last part, guys. Okay, last part is like this, right? So it will be this, right? Last part is this, so it is third option. Okay, third option is there in option 4, so it is D. है ना? It is D. Clear? So third one is the correct part. See the last part. Just see the last part, Subhajit. Last part ko dekho. So it is a quarter circle, right? Quarter circle. So it will be like this. You know? It will be like this. So it is not a flower, not a triangle, not a square, but it is a circle, right? It is a circle. It is number 3. Go by the options. Option D, right? Go by the options. Option D. Option D. The folded figure is cut in circle type in center, right? Cut in circle type in center. Now, question 8, last 2 questions. Okay, 9 people in a family have to go out for dinner. There are 2 available cars, car 1 and car 2, each of which can accommodate 5 persons. But there are certain conditions that need to be followed. Vats will always go in car 1 and does not want Aks in the same car. Exactly 2 out of 3 children, May, Ray and Dan, will be in one car. Chat and Nag will always be together in a car. If Anna and Aks are in the same car, then Vij will also be in the same car. Any car cannot have more than 5 persons. So these are the 5 conditions. Okay, these are the 5 conditions, right? If chat is in car 2, then who among the following is definitely in car 1? Okay, if chat is in car 2, there are only 2 cars, car 1 and car 2. So they have given chat is in car 2. So who is in car 1? Out of these 4 people, who is in car 1? That you guys have to tell. Okay, solve this, right? Last 2 questions are there. We'll finish it off. So okay, SK is telling it as Anna, right? SK is telling it as Anna. If chat is in car 1, then Anna will be in car 2, right? Right? So let me just erase this one, right? Right? So the correct option is D. Sorry, the correct option is C. If chat is in car 2, Nag is also in car 2, right? Nag is also in car 2. So go back to the conditions here. Chat and Nag are always in the same car. So they both will be in car 1, right? Chat and Nag will always be in car 1. If Anna is in car 2, then which will be in car 2, right? They have told 3 children in car 1. So which will violate the condition, right? What they have told, okay? So go back to this. Exactly 2 out of 3 children, May, Ray and Dan will be in one car. Okay. Any car cannot have more than 5 persons, right? Any car cannot have more than 5 persons, right? So what is the possible combinations? I will write the possible combinations here. Car 1, okay, chat and Nag, car 2, okay. In car 2, who will be there? Anna, right? Anna will be there. Now again possible combination, car 1, okay, car 1, Anna and Vij, okay, car 2, chat and Nag, right? Chat and Nag, okay, chat and Nag. Then again the possible combination of car 1 and car 2, right? I'm taking only these people into reference, right? What they have told, Ray, right, and Dan. Ray and Dan, they are always together. तो ये दोनों पहले से ही मिट जाएंगे, right? Ray, Day and May, right? Ray, Day and May, in these three, 2 people are always together. So option A and D तो मिट जाएगा. So in Vij and Anna I have to find out. Anna and Vij are always together, right? Anna and Vij are always together. But there is third combination also, right? What is the third combination? In car 1, okay, in car 1 you will have chat, Nag and Vij, but in car 2 you will have Anna, right? In car 2 you will have Anna. So car 1 is chat, car 2 is Anna. So which can also be with chat, right? Which can also be with chat, okay? If Anna and X are in the same car, then which will also be in the same car, but which can also be in car 1, okay? That is also given. It cannot have more than 5 persons. So which can also be in car 1. So it is option C, Anna, right? Anna is out. Anna and X are in the same car. If Anna and X are in the same car, then which will also be in the same car. If Anna and X are in different cars, if Anna and X are in different cars, then which will be in the different car. Which will be in the different car. So it is option C. Clear everyone? Yes, only if Anna and X are in the same car, which will be with them with the car, right? Only if Anna and X are in the same car, they will be in the, which will be in the same car. Okay, so sir, आज के क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा है, very logical, thank you. Okay, thank you SK. So it is my duty. So car ulta होना चाहिए. Yes, car should be ulta. Okay, car 2 and car 1 it should be like that. Okay, car is ulta. So this is car 2 and this is car 1. Okay, so this is car 2 and car 1. Clear? Huh? So you don't go by that. Okay, Shashank. कार 2 एंड कार 1, वो कार का ऑर्डर मैंने उल्टा लिखा है. ओके, इट शुड बी कार 2 and car 1. But if chat is in one car, then only Anna can be in another car. Okay, these three they can be with them in chat. Okay, these three they can be with them in chat. Only Anna cannot be in that car, right? Only Anna cannot be in that car. Clear now? This car 2 and car 1. Chalo, right? Yes. So last two questions. Select the answer figure in which the question figure is hidden. So these type of questions you guys might not have solved. Okay. Select the answer figure in which the question figure is hidden. So this is the question figure. The answer figure is this 1, 2, 3, 4, or else you can also name it as A, B, C, D. इधर कोई options नहीं है. So tell me in which one of them. Is it the C? Is it B? Or is it A or D? This figure, it is hidden in one of them, right? This figure, it is hidden in one of them. Which one is it? Right? So this figure is like this, right? So see, will it be here? No, in A is not there, right? A is wrong. Coming to B, will it be like this? So it is like this. No, Subhajit, see, it should be in the middle, Baba. Okay, it should be in the middle. What is happening in A? A, it is happening like this. Okay, A is happening like this. Here there is a gap, right? This gap is not there. See here, right? It is happening like this. Okay, is it same? Is it same? Tell me, is it same? Now coming to option 2, right? This is also same, right? Both of these are same. Okay, ये ऐसा है तो ये भी wrong. Coming to option C, right? Option C. Option D is always wrong, right? So which one will be the right answer, right? Can someone tell me the right answer? Right? It is option C, right? So ये कोने में छुपा बैठा है, right? So these types of questions are tough, right? ये कोने में छुपा बैठा है. So if you go by this method, all three will be same, right? If you go by this method, all three will be same. So you have to go by this method, right? This one here, right? This one here. तो इधर से करो, right? In this part, it cannot be possible, right? In this part also it is not possible. So it is in this part where it is possible, like this, right? Where it is possible like this, बीच में से. So it is option C, right? I will erase it once more. See it properly, right? So got it? Option C. No, in A it is not available in the fourth part. See here, okay? Shashank, don't confuse with this, okay? In C, you can get like this also. Okay, you can get like this also. Both the parts are got. Okay, but in A only one part is got. Okay, in A only one part is got. In A there is only one part. Okay, in A there is only one part. In C there are two parts. So we are going for more predominant option, more correct option, which is C. Okay. There is girl in the question. You mean girl? Girl? That girl, Shashank? Tap. ठीक है. There is tap, right? It is a tap. Okay. So chalo, right? The last question. Choose the alternatives which is closely resembling the water image of the given combination, right? So this is the given combination. So here are the water images of the combination. So tell me which one of the image is the water image of the given combination, right? The water image. What is water? Water always stays below you, right? Mirror image मतलब सामने, right? Mirror image is front of you. Water image is down to you, right? Water image देखा है ना? ये बहुत टिकटॉकर्स डालते रहते हैं वीडियोस, हाँ? Water image is down to you. So in down to you, what will be the water image of this question? 1, 2, 3, 4. So give the right answer. Okay, Shashank is telling it as A. Shashank and Subhajit are telling the third one is correct, whereas SK is telling the fourth one is correct, right? So let us see which one is correct. It is option C, right? Option C, that is fourth one is correct. Okay, water image है ना, water image. देखो water image ऐसा होगा ना बाबा, right? So right, so this is how water image iska below, right? Iska below, right? So the water image of this, first this one will come, next this one will come, right? Got it? Water image, तो मैं ऐसा हूं तो water पे मैं कैसे दिखूंगा? Okay, so if I am standing like this, okay, in the banks of river, I will look like this, right? है ना, मैं ऐसे दिखूंगा ना water में. So that is what fourth one is the right one. My legs is the first thing to be observed, my head is the next thing to be observed. So जो नीचे है वो ऊपर आएगा, जो ऊपर है वो नीचे आएगा, right? So this is how the water images are there, right? So I go to a water, right? So this is me, I will stand in the water, first my legs are seen, then my hands, then my head, right? Water image. So this is how the water images are there, right? First my legs come, right? Next my hands come, next my head come. So this is the question. So lower part and upper part. So lower part will be seen first, right? Lower part will be seen first, upper part will be seen next, right? Lower part and upper part. So this is how it is. Any doubts, right? It is the fourth one. Okay. Not third one is not a water image. Fourth one is a water image, which is option C. Clear? Shashank and Subhajit, you both had a confusion over there, right? You were giving A as the right one. Huh? ये तो mirror image हो जाएगा. This is mirror image. So what is the difference between mirror? So this is water image, right? Mirror image तो ये है. This is mirror image, right? Twins, right? So this is mirror image. This is water image. ठीक है? ये mirror image है. ये water image है, right? So that's it with the class, guys. Okay. So this was the last class on reasoning. So on tomorrow, right? Tomorrow you guys have a reasoning class on Unacademy from 10 p.m. Right? Please do attend it, where we'll be solving another 15 questions based on reasoning. Wednesday and Friday, you guys will be having general English classes on YouTube from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Right? And similarly, on Thursday and Saturday, you guys will be having general English classes on Unacademy from 10 p.m. So it's my sincere request to all of you, please do attend all the 5 upcoming sessions, right, in Unacademy as well as in YouTube, because I'll be covering different questions in both the sessions. So before finishing the class, okay, the tomorrow's class, SK, the tomorrow's class, हाँ ब्लड रिलेशन आज एक क्वेश्चन किया ना मैंने, तो कल भी हम करवाएंगे, ठीक है? कल भी हम ब्लड रिलेशन के ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन करवाएंगे, ओके? हाँ हाँ, सेकंड ऑप्शन सेम था. हाँ, ये इस क्वेश्चंस में होता रहता है, ये मिरर इमेजेस में सेम होता रहता है, ओके? Yes, second and fourth were same, but still, okay? Right? Yes. And before finishing the class, okay, GATE and ESC subscription, if anyone wants to buy, okay, these are the eminent features of the GATE and ESC subscription. Both are combined now, okay? So you guys, if you guys are going for the 1 month plan, you can use my referral code Shreyas Aravind or SAYT and you'll get a 10% off, right? So the 1 month subscription will be around 4,500. You can go for these plans, okay, 3 to 24 months, okay, where you will be getting 15 to 20% off, right? 15 to 20% off, 5 to 10% off through your credits. If you have more than 500 to 1500 credits, you'll be getting 5 to 10% off depending on the credits, and 10% off through my referral code. So I went for the 3 month plan, okay. My credits were around 1000, so I got the total plan at 10,274, which is 2,250 rupees less, right? So if you guys are going for the 3 to 24 month plan, it will be more useful for you as you can get 15 to 20 percentage off in the gate and ESC subscription, okay. So before signing off, right, tomorrow at 10 p.m. at Unacademy, right, 10 p.m. in the Unacademy platform, you guys will be having reasoning part 2, which are different questions. So please do attend it. And the next YouTube session will be there on Wednesday, okay, which will be general English questions, okay, general English questions. It is from 10 a.m. and I'll be taking around 20 questions, right? I'll be taking around 20 questions. If there are any doubts, right, please do ask me on my email ID Shreyas_Aravind at yahoo.in, right? Please do ask me here any doubts regarding the plus subscription, okay, any doubts regarding verbal ability, numerical ability, quants, reasoning, you can ask me in this above email, okay. Thank you all. See you soon in the next session, right? The next YouTube session is in Wednesday, which will be general English, 20 questions, 10 a.m. The next Unacademy session is tomorrow, right? Tomorrow 10 p.m. reasoning part 2, where we'll see some different questions, right? So I will stay live for a period of 1 minute. If there are any doubts, please do ask me. Right, okay guys, I hope so there are no doubts, right? It was nice interacting with you all, okay. So please do attend tomorrow's reasoning session on Unacademy, where we will see some different questions, and also the upcoming sessions on YouTube, right? So Wednesday and Friday you will be having your last 2 sessions on YouTube for the RINL exam, that is the Vizag Steel exam, okay. Have a good day.